Alright, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have a new Rokform rugged case here for my Samsung Galaxy S25. Now Rokform was kind enough to send this out for review, so I just reached out and was like, hey guys, haven't gotten this one yet for my S25, and they were super kind enough to get this out super duper fast. So big thank you and shout out to Rokform for sending this out. So this case is going to set you back around $69 on their website. This is the packaging that it comes in. Rokform is really known for just their rugged cases and other cool accessories that they make, but it's just all about ruggedness, and obviously hence the name being rugged. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open here. And as you can see in here, it says what's inside, and then of course high performance protection with purpose. So it goes down a list of what these cases are all about, but we'll talk about that here in just a minute. But you slide it open here, and then we have a little pamphlet in here that just says rugged S25 series, and just goes over a bunch of different little stuff, 3 ways to use your new rugged case, etc, etc. Here is the actual phone case. Now one thing I will show you is it does say magnetic plug insert. So it says your new S25 comes with our new magnetic plug installed for wireless charging. You can remove the plug if using any of the twist lock mounts for cars, bikes, and motorcycles. So basically it does have this portion here if you do want to take it out, which will pop this open and take out this magnetic plug. But like it says here, used for extra pull force, not compatible with wireless charging. Let's look at the actual phone case. So the phone case here, as you can see guys, is a rugged phone case. As it says, you can pop that out, which we'll talk about kind of the importance of being able to do so if you have any of their accessories. But the thing I love about this rugged case is just the look of it. One, it's got that carbon fiber styling, has that really nice texture to it. And then as you can see here, we have MagSafe for wireless charging, and then this extra magnet here. They're N52 magnets, which gives this insane grip on metal, which I'm looking around here and I don't know if I have anything metal in here. I'll try to find something for the video, but I mean, I literally slapped it on my fridge and it's just like this super strong magnetic connection. And then we got the Rokform branding there. And then of course in the interior, we have this honeycomb pattern there, which is really nice. And then it does say Rokform as well there. Yeah, let's get it slapped on real quick. Install is pretty dang easy, goes on very smooth. And there's the case installed. So as you can see there, it's got that pill-shaped cutout there for the cameras, and then that single punch out there for the flash there. With the S25 being such a thin phone, adding a little bit of bulk to it isn't a bad thing. It is definitely heavier. That's one thing I love about the S25 is just how lightweight it is. But having this on there does give it a little bulk, a little weight. But once again, it's a rugged case. It's supposed to withstand just extreme stuff. Love the feel of this case. The sides feel fantastic. I absolutely love this grippy pattern here. As you can see there, it's just got these little nubs, but it just really helps with that grip. And then we have some square buttons here. So plus and minus for volume up and down, and our power button there. Kind of the squared off edges. You got that little pill shape cut out there for the microphones up top. Of course, nothing on this side, but it has like this more matte finish TPU, and then it goes back into that bumpy material again. And then as you can see here at the bottom, nice cutout for the USB-C charging port, our speakers. And then if you want to rock a lanyard, you got that as well. Now looking at it from the top down view here, you can see that it is actually not like super crazy thick, but it does add some thickness a little bit to it. Nice cutout there for the speaker up top there as well, and it is tempered glass friendly because I do have a tempered glass screen protector installed, and it works just flawlessly with this case installed. So once again, big thumbs up there. So like I do in my videos, let's do the wobble test here. So we'll just put it face down, No shaking going on at all. And if we go back down, a tiny bit of shaking, but once again, not a lot. Like right here, barely. Even here, barely. I mean, you can see the reflection, but honestly, it's really not that bad at all. So I would say it passes because it's not just a wobbly mess. Next, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's start with that power button. Okay, very clicky. I'll put it up to the mic. You can hear that. Volume up and down. Very clicky as well. So passes the clicky button test with flying colors, no issues at all with that as well. The MagSafe strength with these magnets is insane because this MagSafe charger is strong, but it's not super duper strong. And this thing hugs it. I mean, it's pretty insane how strong that is. That's very, very, very strong. So if you are someone who happens to have MagSafe accessories in your vehicle and stuff like that, then you're gonna be super stoked because this thing is extremely strong. So let me see if I can find something metal here in my room real quick to just show y'all how strong that magnet is here on the back as well. All right, so I had to get a little creative here, guys, because I've never done this before, but here is a trash can that I have in my room, and it holds on extremely well. Like, as you can see there, I mean, it just literally will not go. It's stupid strong. So I can say at least I've never used a trash can in one of my videos before. So there you go. Look at that. So without a doubt, the MagSafe strength is insane. The magnets are insane on this and just giving you super duper just grip. So that's going to be good for like the guys or gals that like to go to the gym, or, you know, if you're just wanting to maybe, you know, use this on the golf course and you want to, you know, play your music from your phone and you slap it on, then you're good to go. But you can also take this twist lock piece out here. So what's great about Rokform is they have a lot of accessories that it's like a patented system where you put it in and you twist it and it just stays. It literally, like, you can put it on your like dirt bike, you know, your golf course, you know, golf carts, I mean, all kinds of stuff, bikes, you name it, and you're getting some really just insane protection for your phone as well. So there you go, guys, from Rokform. Definitely go and check out their website if you're interested in scooping this up for your S25 or your S25 Plus or Ultra or iPhone. They make it for a lot of different phones, so definitely keep an eye out for it and follow the link down in the description. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. See you on the next one.